Hello, it's Ken from Jubilee Auto Finance Center. You're looking at a 2008 Ford F-150 XLT with the XTR package, Super Cab 4x4. Blue in color with gray cloth interior, 79,122 kilometers on it. Vehicle's equipped with a 5.4 liter V8 with an automatic transmission and has the following options: air conditioning, tilt wheel, cruise control, power windows and locks, power heated mirrors, AM/FM CD with satellite radio, power driver's seat, privacy glass, running boards, trailer hitch, fog lights, has a box liner, box rails, alloy wheels. SAS taxes paid on this vehicle, shows no accidents on the SGI website, has gone through our service center so it's ready for a new home, comes with our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. If you'd like to view this vehicle, we're located at 3368 Fairlight Drive, or give us a call at 306-986-0233.